but what you must never ever do is try to detangle your hair while it's dry. The other day I was on TikTok browsing through my feed, you know, the For You page, and I came across... Hello Han, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Robyn. I run a holistic beauty blog called Behold, and in this space we're all about feeling beautiful from inside out. I've been there, I feel your pain, and I'm actually so glad that you clicked onto this video because you're going to save yourself so much stress and effort. Let me just show you the method that I've been using for so long and that has really just gotten easier for me over the years. Why am I talking about type 4 hair? Because let's face it, type 4 hair is the most difficult to detangle. And while I know that a lot of people don't like categorizing themselves into different hair types, type 1 to 4, when it comes to addressing concerns like this, when it comes to trying to detangle your hair, when it comes to thinking of what type of products is useful for your hair, it's good to always narrow down your hair type so that you can address the concern directly. So that's why I'm speaking to type 4 hair people only. You guys are my tribe, you guys feel my pain, you know what I'm going through on a daily. So I hope that you enjoy this video. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up because that lets me know that this is the type of videos you enjoy seeing. This is the type of content you want to see more of, and subscribe to my channel so that you're notified when I upload a new video every Tuesday. So the other day, a hair blogger messaged me. She shared a link to her blog post and she was saying that she's constantly struggling with knots. Like her hair is knotty all the time. And she thought that this was because of her hair type, which is so untrue. Like, she didn't really consider the factors that could be causing her hair to be this knotty. So when my hair is really knotty, it means one of 3 things. I've been in the wind, I've been walking through the breeze, and my hair's caught frizzy knots. Secondly, I need a trim. The ends of my hair are either dead, dull, or dry, and they need to go, and I haven't cut them off. So you know when you're like raking your hand through your hair and when you get to the end it's really difficult to detangle, that's when you know, girl, it's either time to trim. Third reason, your hair is dry. Yes, people who have type 4 hair generally have drier hair textures, so we need to hydrate our hair and we need to ensure that the type of products we're using is not like a mist. It's something rich like a butter or cream that actually gets into our hair follicles and can hydrate our hair for as long as we need it to. I personally wash my hair once a week, so I know that wash day. I take my time with my hair and I'm making sure that the products that I use is going to treat the concerns like dryness, so that when I need to detangle my hair, it's not going to be a mission. What you must never ever do is try to detangle your hair while it's dry. Unless you have this tangle teezer, which you can use in all hair types and dry hair. Footage from a previous video where I reviewed the tangle teezer. No, it's not sponsored, and I was so impressed that I actually swear by it now. The other day, I was on TikTok browsing through my feed, you know, the For You page, and I came across Shoma Josie, brilliant, talented woman, trying to detangle her hair while it's dry. And I promise you, I could feel the pain when I saw her like tug at her ends. And being the good Samaritan that I am, not knowing her personally or whatever, I shared my method with her in a comment, and I have no idea if she used it, but I was just in pain watching her try to detangle her hair while it was dry, because what that will do is break your hair off. So here's what you must do. Use a water spray. And the water spray will really just help to soften your hair. And what I normally do is I section my hair. You can section your hair into 4 parts or 6 parts. Whether I'm washing my hair or styling my hair, I always section my hair so that I can address each section carefully, because I know that my hair is a drier texture, and when I'm trying to detangle it specifically, I will use a section I will spritz it with water first, and then I will try to comb through it or brush through it from the ends first. You do the ends first because that's likely the most tangled, the most knotty hair. And so obviously, like, you spritz there first and you try and detangle that. You know your roots is like your newest hair, so that's least likely to knot, or it's going to be the hair that's not as knotty as the ends. So that's why you start from the end to the top. And then lastly, I always make sure that my hair is hydrated. My hair might look dry sometimes. That's probably when I haven't been following my routine, but if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So ensure that your hair is always hydrated, and like I said, make sure that you're using the right products. I actually also have a video on how to know what your hair type is and how to choose the right products. And if you need more in-depth information, then I do also have a blog where you can actually read more about this. I will add a link to my blog in the section below, and there you can also see a list of products that I use, other helpful videos. Go into the comment section, browse through the video options that you think would be useful to you. Research, understand your body, understand your mind, understand your hair. You have to stay ready because you can't just do it once in a while. Like, I even saw Liza Koshy posted a picture of her legs, and her legs is so hydrated. It looks so glossy and like beautiful, soft. It looked soft through the photo. And in her caption, she said this is from years of lotion, which has to tell you something, It's not just about doing something once in a while. You have to keep doing it. You have to stay ready, because if you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. So anyway, that's my 2 cents. I hope that you like this video, and if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you're liking these type of videos, that you're liking the content that you're seeing, and that you want me to create more. And subscribe to my channel so that you're notified once I upload a video every Tuesday. And I will see you in my next one.